Keywan, he can't just come up in here and just be like, it's cheeks. No, we gotta break it down. M. Jordan, let's have a real conversation right now. What about it makes the portal cheeks to you? Let's have a real conversation, bro. What makes it just a W of a handheld is the fact of, although, let's be real, this is R&D for PlayStation. I feel like that's what the PlayStation Portal really is. This is complete R&D. But the R&D is so good that they're like, well, shoot, we need to really go in and fully lean into this thing and actually update it. So that's why we've been continuously getting the updates. I feel like the PlayStation Portal's job, its main sole purpose for PlayStation, obviously they're gonna make sales, they're gonna make money and all those different things like that, right? But I think the main job and the main reason for them to even coming out with this was a proof of concept for what's really to come, which is the system that we've all been wanting, which is one that can really run on its own. And I think with the latest update, that was the biggest one for them to see how would people respond to it. They wanted to know, hey, are people gonna down it? Are people not gonna like it? Or, hey, when we get a bunch of people onto the servers now, how well are our servers built up to be able to handle the amount of traffic? This is everything that they're able to get from us right here on this console right here. You best believe that same piece of feature, or that same feature is actually going to be moved over to whatever new gaming devices they might be working on, right? Then on top of that, we also got the whole software in itself. The whole UI experience. All of the UI experience on here is goated. Just how you fluid, just move through the screens and all of that, as well as, and let me turn it on here real quick, because I don't know why I sit up here and got it off like I don't have no juice. Even now, when you're in games, and I mentioned this in my video of how now you can actually press the PlayStation button to be able to slide that menu out on the side. Now, right now on this screen, you have to still use your finger to be able to swap, like to get that menu out. But the fact that they're making those small little changes, it's just setting us up for the future of what's going to be coming with this console here. And I feel like this is nothing more than just research and them trying things out, seeing how people are going to respond to it. And again, I'm just glad that the community, man, us as gamers, we all pulled up. And hey, I think the talks is getting stronger and stronger on them coming out with the handheld console that we've all been wanting, bro. And I really feel like it's gonna come, but I think it's gonna drop when the PS6 drop. I don't think we're gonna get it any sooner than that. And I'm just so happy that a lot of people actually supported it. Although it got a lot of hate, but at the same time, a lot of freaking people supported it. We got a hater in the building, man. M. Jordan is God23. First off, I gotta drop a horn for your name, all right? Because Jordan is definitely the GOAT, all right? I don't care what nobody say. I saw a video where Caitlin Clark said that LeBron James is the GOAT. And I was like, huh? Like, don't get me wrong, LeBron James is good, but bro, come on, man. My guy got it in his name, all right? M. Jordan is the GOAT, man. But I don't agree with your statement, all right? I don't agree with your comment. Hey, but you're entitled to that, though. But, okay, M. Jordan, let's have a real conversation right now. What about it makes the portal cheeks to you? That's what I want to know. Let's have a real conversation. Listen, M. Jordan, I'm not here to change your mind or change your opinion, but I do want to hear from somebody who is kind of on the opposition. I want to hear from somebody who doesn't feel like it is a great piece of tech. And I want to know why. And I want a real educated answer as to why do you feel that way. Let's have a real conversation right here, live on the stream, bro. Because I want to know what is it about it that doesn't make it worth your time. If you are a PlayStation gamer, because I got to preference that. If you're not a PlayStation gamer, then that ends the whole, that answers the whole question right there. Hey, say what again, bro? Listen, please say that louder for the people in the back. They not even in the same classroom. Bro, classroom, say what again, bro? They not even in the same school. People with kids with no access to a TV during that time. So, I mean, is that your, like, what's your argument? I want to know your argument, MJ. What is your argument of saying that it is not a good device? You saying that it's cheeks. It's perfect for it. Dads, it's perfect for it. Because you can still be attentive to your family, people who are married. You can still be, people who are married, people who are in a relationship, you can still be attentive to your significant other being right here with it. You know what I'm saying? I can still be on the couch, wife watching a movie. I'm here with it. I ain't missing a beat, but I'm still in the presence. Keywan, he can't just come up in here and just be like, it's cheeks. No, we gotta break it down, bro. He said, MJ said, if it could work off Wi-Fi, I would definitely be in on it. Okay, let's break that down. We're in 2024, getting ready to head into 2025. Let's have a real conversation, bro. And this is the thing that I'm kind of like, I'm low-key getting tired of the argument because it doesn't make any sense. And that is when people say, well, if it could work off of Wi-Fi, then I would be on it. Listen, we're in 2024, getting ready to go into 2025, right? We're almost at the end of the year, all right? You name me in today's world, what tech device are you using or that doesn't use internet, bro? If you're using a PlayStation, guess what? You either got that bad boy plugged in or you got it on your Wi-Fi. Okay, that alleviates the PlayStation, all right? Because nobody pulled up and say, "Well, man, I wish the PlayStation could play on this." It can, but at the same time, it's like, bro, you always got your PlayStation hooked up to a Wi-Fi network, right? Okay, let's move on. Your TV, 9 times out of 10, if you have a newer TV that's got all of the apps on it, let me go ahead and hold up, bro. Let me get my remote, because we're gonna debunk all of this, all right? I got my Christmas scenery up. You know what I'm saying? I got the Christmas tree up. You know? You see all of these? You see all of these apps that I got that I'm scrolling through here? Listen. You see all of these apps? I got YouTube. I got YouTube TV. I got ESPN. I got HBO Max, Peacock, Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus. All of them. Guess what? It requires freaking internet. All right? But nobody complains and says, well, man, the TV gotta have, okay, your TV has to have internet too, bro. Moving on. You got a computer in your home. You know what? Let me go ahead and switch the scenes, bro. And I'm gonna get to the super chats, man, because I see y'all. Anybody that has a computer, right? I got a computer over here with this screen here. I got a computer over here that's running this screen right here, all right? Anybody that has a computer, guess what? You gotta have internet, all right? You gotta have some type of Wi-Fi signal, anything, to be able to run it. Okay, all right, that's just one. All right, next thing we got. Guess what we got? We got cell phones, bro. Whether you are an iPhone gang, whether you are a Samsung gang, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, bro. Right? It don't matter. You gotta have some type of plan on these bad boys. Whether you 5G gang, whether you LTE gang, whether you, what's the Wi-Fi gang? All right? Whether you one of those, it don't matter, bro. You got Wi-Fi. So here's the part that bothers me when people say that. And even when people got their cars nowadays, some people got Wi-Fi in their cars. You go to a hotel, hey, what's the Wi-Fi? You go over your boy's crib, hey, what's the Wi-Fi? Or if you're a lady in the chat, you go over your homegirl crib, hey, what's the Wi-Fi? Everywhere you go is Wi-Fi, bro. Every device that you own, 9 times out of 10, it requires Wi-Fi. So when people say that about the portal, I'm like, what's the big deal about it? Even, hold on, bro. Hold on. Let me grab something real quick, bro. This is my favorite one that is from a PC perspective. This is the ROG Ally X, all right? Love this freaking thing. This is by far my favorite one. This is the ROG Ally X. Nobody is saying, well, you need Wi-Fi with this. Yes, even with this. Now, can you play your games offline with this? Yeah, you can, but 9 times out of 10, a lot of the features that you need when you're gaming nowadays, you need Wi-Fi access. You need some type of internet access with it. So it doesn't matter whether it's the portal or whether it's this, because guess what? You can't play Jack on here if you don't have Wi-Fi or some type of internet access. You want to know why? Because it's just like a PC. You got to download shaders. You got to download Windows updates. You got to download the graphic updates. It don't just stop with the portal where people say, well, you got to have internet. No, bro. Everything nowadays needs internet. I don't care what it is, bro. People don't realize when we're out there, we're so dependent on the internet. It's crazy, right? It's crazy how much we're dependent on the internet. Crazy work. Everything we do nowadays is dependent on the internet. All right? Even y'all going to work, wherever y'all work at, I guarantee you to run that company, it needs the internet, bro. Like, you watching this stream right now, bro. You need the internet, my guy. You know what I'm saying? And first off, MJ, First off, bro, I appreciate you pulling up to the stream. First off, man, and I'm not here to knock your opinion because you're more than entitled to your opinion. I just want you to. I'm just trying to offer a different POV and just a different way of thinking about it, right? Like I just feel like everything nowadays, man, just needs internet. So when the portal needs internet, it's kind of like, okay, not that big of a deal to me because guess what? My house has internet. If I'm not at home, I can just tether to my phone and use my cellular network internet. And then I can just tether to it and be cool. Oh, I'm at a hotel. I'm out of town. Guess what? Hey, what's the Wi-Fi? Okay, I go to the front desk. Hey, excuse me. I'm in room, 203. All right, what's the Wi-Fi? Oh, it's on the back of your card. Okay, cool. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you so much. And guess what? I'm going to go on my portal. I'm going to type it in. I'm going to use my phone, scan the QR code. And bam, now I'm authenticated and I'm in there and I'm smooth sailing. So that really doesn't bother me though. It really doesn't bother me though. No, you're right. You're right, MJ. Console is definitely not intended for on the go. No, I can't say that, bro. I can't say that. Console gaming can be considered on the go, bro. I mean, if you look back in the history of gaming in itself, bro, you had the Game Boy, which was goated. You had so many handhelds back then. Now, granted, are they on a scale of what could be coming out or what's coming out today? No, because we're getting even high-end graphics and everything like that with it. But no, bro. No. I can't agree with that one. Can you download games to the portal? No, you can't download games to the portal. But again, I got my whole console for that. It technically is saving you money. It's really saving you money because if you did have to download, guess what? Now you're going to need to buy storage. Listen, hold on, bro, because listen. You're going to need to buy, I can't show it on there, but you'll need to buy storage for your PS5. That's one. So now you already got to shell out a bag there. And let's just go ahead and look up storage, right? Let's look up an SSD. Again, if we pull up this, right? If we pull up this, all right, let's just go 2 terabyte. That's usually what people are going to buy. $180. Guess what? If you had to buy another one of those or something similar to this of 2 terabytes, you're going to spend more money. So the fact that all I have to do to save another $180 is just hop on my internet, I'm doing that every single time. You want to know why? Because everywhere we go, I don't care if you go into the coffee shop, there's internet there. You go to Target, there's internet there. You go to Walmart, there's internet there. So it doesn't matter where you go, bro. You just connect up to it and keep it pushing. But I do feel like, MJ, when it comes to the games, or when it comes to like the PS Vita 2 that they rumored to be coming out, that will be the one where I feel like they're going to have to bump up storage. It's going to have at least 1 terabyte to 2 terabytes in it at base, with the option to be able to expand the storage. Now that one I'm with you on, because we will be able to download games directly to those as it's intended to do so. But the thing is, again, like I mentioned with this one, it's not intended to do that. It's strictly meant for people to be able to go on the go and still be able to access all of your games from back at home. And now with the latest update, listen, all I got to do now is just go to, look, I can just plug up, I can turn on, go right here, bro. And I can go right in here into the catalog. And then when you look at the games they got, bro, we talking Kenna, Bridge of Spirits, which is a fire game. Highly recommend you. I know I said that in the video. We got Watchdog Legion, fire game. Last of Us Part 1, fire game. They now got Jack and Daxter in here, which is dope. Grand Theft Auto 5. Come on, man. We got GTA 5 in here. We got Final Fantasy up in here, the remake. We got some decent titles in here. Day by Light. We got Ghost of Tsushima. W titles, bro. Come on, man. Do I need to keep going? We got The Witcher in here. The Witcher 3. Can't wait for that next Witcher 4, bro. That's going to be so hard. What else we got up in here? Should I keep going, bro? Spider-Man Miles Morales, which is by far the best Spider-Man game that they came out with. Should I keep going? Demon Souls. Should I keep going? MK11. Should I keep going? Skyrim. Should I keep going? Ratchet and Clank. Huh? Uncharted. Come on, man. That's a flagship level AAA title, baby. And not just that one. It's the Legacy of Thieves collection. We talking the whole series, baby. We got Far Cry 6. Goated? Come on, man. I can go on for days, baby. I can go on for days. So I don't need to download the games if I got a solid list of catalog in here that's growing all the time, because with this new update, they added 3 new titles in there. They added the Jak and Daxter, and they added Sly 2 and 3. We got 3 new games that's getting added, so they're constantly updating this library of games. And, bro, this is why the PlayStation Portal is not cheeks, bro. It's such a good device, and it's only getting better and better, bro. My guy James Robinson, bro. Hold on. Let me drop a horn for you, big dog. Hey, man, I appreciate the $2 holler, bro. I appreciate the $2 holler, big dog. Let's go. Hey, man, you just never know what I might do, bro. We just never know, man. I appreciate the $2 holler, man. Yo, my guy Soldier. My guy Soldier with another, man. My guy with a $5 holler. I see you, baby. Okay, hold on, bro. Hold on, Soldier. I gotta swallow my chips for this one, bro. Hold up, bro. Cause I gotta stand up. I just can't believe what I read from you, bro. Although I appreciate the super, my guy. I appreciate the $5 holler, big dog. But come on, bro. What my guy Soldier just said. We gonna switch topics, all right? We gonna switch topics, all right? Cause this right here is ridiculous, okay?